finally got the gas tank all done. Obviously I still need a lot of practice, but it's all good, it's solid. I air checked it with some soapy water and didn't see any leaks. I was debating on fogging it black for him, but I think I might let him do that. That's gonna go in Brandon's Monte Carlo SS. But I think what we're gonna do now is finally tackle the headliner in this truck. You guys have been giving me shit about this for, I don't know, how long has this thing been on the channel? 2 years now? So I think we're finally gonna do something with this, because I've had that one sitting over there since last fall. And I don't know, now seems like a good time. I don't have parts for anything else. So let's disconnect the battery and start ripping this thing apart.
Seems like they just don't get our ways. They try to control what we say. Funny things will never go away. It's who we are. We drink iced tea at a jar. We ride in trucks, put our time in at the
phone. There you are, you asshole. I don't remember how this comes out. Just like that. Now we just have this hanger, that handle, and then all these pillars. The pillars are the part that's going to make me nervous, because I really don't want to break those, because I don't think I've kept any from the other truck. It's fighting. Friggin' thing is fighting, dude. I don't know if you guys can see anything. I hope you can. Alright. Now it's just the pillars. Ah! This fucking thing. Ah. Sick. Ah. Sick. Interesting. That other stuff came out so nice and easy, but the one that I've had out multiple times is gonna fight. What's up with that? Come on, you fuck. What the hell? I've had you out before, you bitch. There, that's fine. That is all we needed. Raise the roof. Haha. Ah, my head. There you go. Just gotta manhandle that shit. Can't be a little bitch about it. So, if I remember correctly, I had to bring this out the passenger side. God, why do they have to glue this whole freaking thing? It's so dumb. Alright. There's nothing left holding this in. Woo. Alright. Honestly, this could be salvaged, like it just needs to be re-glued, but we got a new one. Alright, so I'm just going to clean this thing up now because it's just been sitting over here for like 9 months, and then we'll throw it in the truck. Oh God, what a mess. What a mess, dude. It would be pretty tight just to put everything back up there and leave the headliner out, but this is street truck, not race truck. Daily driver. So I got it all cleaned up and wiped down, so let's start throwing it back in the truck. All right, man, we're all done. Look at that. It looks brand new. It totally changed the truck. The only thing I have left to do is this pillar, but like I said, I'm gonna redo the AFR gauge. I'm gonna switch it to lambda. Just that way, no matter what fuel I have in here, it'll read correctly. Not a huge deal. Just something that Justin has been like, you should switch it to lambda. So I'm finally gonna do it now that I got this thing all apart. I should get, I think they make like a 2-pod thing for Duramaxes, but that's not what this is about. This is about this dope ass headliner. Check that out, man. I think if I ever do this again, I'm gonna do something weird with it. I don't know why, like I've been putting this off for at least the 9 months that this thing's been sitting there. And it took, I don't know, an hour at the most. And I was just fucking around filming it too. But it looks so much better. So hopefully you guys can get off my back about that now that the truck, we have that headliner fixed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't really know, there's not a ton of things to do right now. I'm waiting on some parts for some things. I ordered some stuff for the RX-7 because we can kind of get started on that now that Goldie's running, driving, seems to be doing pretty decent. I'm still waiting on that 4th freaking wheel. And then for this thing, I got the radiator mounted, the fan's just sitting there. I got a new thermostat housing coming. I kept going back and forth on like pulling the engine out and redoing a bunch of things. Like I found a different oil pan that I like better than this one because it's just an F-body pan. And then I could put a regular steering linkage in here and not have this like sectioned one that's admittedly very sketchy. I don't think anything's gonna happen to it. The only thing I'm worried about is it bottoming out on bumps and stuff. But enough about that. We can do that in the next couple videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you next time.